What's up YouTube? It's been a while since I've ridden a bike. This is my friend's Yamaha R6. It's a 2009 and he crashed it. So I was able to buy it off of him from insurance. It does have a salvage title. So I'll just walk around and show you the repairs I think I'll have to do to it. Look here, there's some damage on the upper fairing, the lower fairings. Right there. So the story behind this is that my friend was on the freeway and a guy swerved into his lane. He had to slam on the brakes to avoid the accident and he low slided the bike. I think he was going around 30 or 40 miles an hour. So because the guy didn't actually hit him, the other guy's insurance did not cover the bike, but my friend's insurance did. So I think the extent of the damage is just this stator cover. So I bought a replacement one and I'm gonna try replacing this, putting new oil and a new oil filter in and seeing if the bike actually starts up. The rest of this is pretty much cosmetic, which I don't mind. I actually bought another set of lower fairings. With that said, I'm gonna start working on this bike. So this is with the side fairing off. As you can see, actually not that bad. Now I'm going to take this cover off. I finally got the stator out. Having a hard time getting this bolt out. I probably spent a good hour trying to get this out. I went to Home Depot looking for a torque screw or T30 that would get it out, but I ended up stripping it, so I ended up buying a new bolt and I'm using a Dremel to get this off. Finally got this bracket off after using the Dremel to grind off that bolt. The new cover is on the left, the old cover is on the right. Alright, so I have this surface clean and I have this clean, so I'm going to add some RTV in this area and then screw this back in. Since I needed to add oil anyway, decided to replace the filter. This is the filter. I was a little concerned that this K&N filter wouldn't fit because I read online that this part where you attach the wrench socket to, it would rub against this bar. But if you look, let me grab the light. If you look around it, there's actually enough clearance. So if I were to shift, it doesn't touch it at all. I got the oil in and now I'm charging the battery. I'm gonna try turning it on. Got some new ones. There's some cosmetic damage right there, but it's not too bad. I can buff that out. So there are also areas that were damaged before, so this morning I sanded them, then I painted them with some touch-up paint. And the application actually wasn't that smooth compared to an aerosol, but that was a lot more expensive. So what I'm gonna do is once this stuff dries, I'm gonna use this rubbing compound and it seems to smoothen it out. So in the meantime, I have power washed that entire bike and I'm gonna put these fairings on and then clean it up some more.